Did you know that not all rocks are the same? There are many types of rocks in the world, and they are all made in different ways. In this book, we are going to talk about how the rock cycle makes different types of rocks. My name is Sarah, and I'm going to take you on a trip to learn about how different kinds of rocks are made. And I'm Rob. I'll be tagging along too. The first type of rock we will talk about is an igneous rock. It's created when hot magma, which is hot melted lava inside of a volcano, cools and hardens. The special name for this process is called crystallization. This is what an igneous rock looks like. You can see that it looks shiny and smooth. Sometimes we use this kind of rock in our kitchens as countertops. When igneous rock is exposed to lots of water and wind, it begins to break into smaller pieces. We call that process weathering. After the rock weathers, we call the small pieces that are left behind sediment. When sediment is moved into a spot where it can sit still for a long time, we call that deposition. After the sediment sits still long enough, it goes through a process called lithification. This means that all the sediment gets squeezed tightly back together to make a new type of rock. This new type of rock is called sedimentary. If you look inside of it, you will see lots of layers, and you might even see a fossil. A fossil is a very old animal or leaf that has hardened inside of an old rock. Sometimes these sedimentary rocks tunnel underground in a process called burying. Underground is a hot, heavy place, and when the rocks get hot enough or get squished hard enough, they turn into another type of rock. This new type of rock is called metamorphic rock. If the metamorphic rock stays underground long enough, it will get hotter and hotter, then melt and turn back into magma. Then new igneous rocks can be made again. That's the end.